Natin ngayon, kanta ni Francis Magalona, Cold Summer Nights. Napakadali lang nito. Simulan na natin, guys. Yung intro muna yung ituturo ko. Chord ng C yun. Then B minor 7. Yung B minor 7, guys, ganito. Parang B minor lang yan. Alisin mo lang yung hindi liit mo. Tapos E minor. Yan. Okay, pero sa una, guys, naririnig natin ganito, 'di ba? Parang plinaking muna niya. Okay, mag-position kayo ng C. Pluckingin niyo ng 5 4 3 2. Then B minor 7 at E minor, tig-iisang strum. Yan, twice yung gagawin 'yon. Isa pa. Okay, doon naman sa second part ng intro niya, bali 2 parts yung intro niya eh. Yung ganito. Okay, yung third string dyan, guys, dito. Dito sa second fret. I-slide nyo sa fourth. Then balik nyo rin sa second fret. Ganito. Next, bibitawan nyo yan. Siyempre, magiging open yung third string dyan. Okay, ganito siya. Yon. Then C. Strum, down, up. Tapos B minor 7 at E minor. Ganun lang naman. Then ulitin nyo lang ulit. Okay. Then okay, isa pa. C. Then mag-slide ulit kayo. B minor 7, then E minor. Okay, dalawang beses nyo din uulitin yun, guys. Okay, ganun lang kadali yung intro, guys. Buuin natin lahat. Unang part at second part. Okay, second part. Okay, then papasok sa verse. Ganito yung chords ng verse niya, guys. Ganun din yung mga ginamit na chord sa kanyang intro. C, B minor 7, E minor. 4 times yung uulitin yon. Okay, ganito yung transition niya. Dito sa chord ng C, ganito yung pag-strum. Down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Tapos, dito sa B minor 7, down, up, then ililipat mo na agad siya sa E minor. Ganito siya. Okay, dito naman sa E minor yung pag-strum, down, up, down, up, down, up. Ganun lang siya, guys. Bale, 4 na ikot nyo siyang babanatan. Try natin. Keep on blaming myself. I should have eaten my pride. How can I convince you? Is it a matter of time? Many times I've heard you. Your foolish ways, oh girl. Now I know doon guys ay pre-chorus o kaya refrain. 4 chords lang, A minor, G, F, D. Take for 4 counts yan. Yung pag-strum ay down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Kagaya ng pag-strum dito sa chord ng C kanina. Okay, ganito. Is there a way for you to turn around and come back, baby? Ooh. Okay, kung gusto niyo, ituturo ko rin yung ginawa ko. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng slide ng konti. Para ini-slide nyo lang pag nakarating sa F. Tapos D. Ganito. Is there a way for you to turn around and come back, baby? Yun. Ganun lang. Yan yung chorus niya guys. Halos may pagkahawig din sa verse niya. Pero, imbis na C yung gagamitin, C major 7 na. Mas madali na yung C major 7 na alisin mo lang yung hintuturo. Na kasi alisin mo yung hintuturo. Then B minor 7, E minor. 3 times yun. Tapos A minor at D. Okay? Ganito. It's been since we drifted apart. Since you walked out the door. A minor, I miss you babe, but I need you here. Tapos instrumental ulit kayo. Yung chords kanina, pero dalawang beses na lang kayong iikot. I-strumin nyo na lang siya. Then, repeat nyo lang yung lyrics ng verse kanina. I keep on blaming myself. I should have been in my pride. How can I convince you? It's still a matter of time. Many times I've hurt you with your foolish ways, oh girl. Now I know I have to pay the price. Refrain ulit, syempre. Is there a way for you to turn around and come back, baby? Baby, can't you see? It's been okay? Basta ganun yun guys ha. Inulit mo lang yung chorus doon. Then, di ba meron yung rap? Ang chords ng rap, dun sa part ng rap niya ay, ano bang chords na ginamit doon? Bale, ito ang ginamit na chords doon, C, B minor 7, E minor. 2 times yung gagawin yon, tapos gawin nyo yung, idagdag nyo yung chords ng refrain. It's been cold summer nights, girl, I really miss you. Rock my world, more than you and kiss you. It's my fault, I never called you. Then A minor. Is there a way for you to turn around and come back to me? I hope you understand that I'm your man and together we can kiss and make up and da-da-da-da. Basta ganun yun guys ha, tapos chorus ulit. Ulit-ulitin nyo lang yung chorus dun guys. Yan, bahala na kayo. Mag-fade na yun eh. Ulit-ulit na lang yung chorus dun. Unti-unti na yung nawawala. Dali lang, di ba? Second fret yung kapo guys ha. Hindi ko na sabi kanina. Okay, yun lang guys. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye.